In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use instrument lists inside of NinjaTrader 8. Instrument lists are essentially your custom watch lists, organized sets of symbols you can call up quickly across NinjaTrader. They help you stay focused, keep your workspace tidy, and speed up routine tasks like scanning markets or monitoring a group of instruments you care about. Start in the main NinjaTrader window. From there, go to the top menu and click on Tools. In the drop-down that appears, select Instrument Lists. This opens the Instrument Lists window, which is where all the organization happens. You'll see the lists that already exist on your platform, and each list contains the instruments associated with it. Think of each list as a container that holds a set of markets you want to track together. To build your own custom list, click Add to create a new list. This gives you a clean slate for the symbols you want to group. Once that new list is in place, click Add into the new list to add instruments. You can repeat that as needed to fill out the list with everything you want to monitor. Keep your selections purposeful. Only add what you actually plan to analyze, so the list remains fast and easy to work with. A short descriptive name can also make it quicker to recognize later. After your list is created and populated, you can use it with your market analyzer to quickly open a full set of instruments in one move. This saves you from adding symbols one by one and helps you switch focus between different lists, like futures, forex pairs, or stocks, without rebuilding anything. With this approach, you can have one list for your primary trading session, another for research, and another for backup opportunities, and move between them as needed. The beauty of instrument lists is that they centralize your instrument management. Anytime you bring up an area of NinjaTrader that accepts a list, your custom sets are already organized and ready to go, so your workflow becomes more consistent and efficient. If you ever need to adjust, you can return to the same window to refine which instruments live in each list. And there you go. By opening the Instrument List window from Tools, creating a new list with Add, and adding instruments inside it, you've set up a flexible system you can quickly use in your market analyzer. That's all it takes to streamline how you track markets in NinjaTrader 8.